Welcome! In this video, I will quickly show how you can split screen in Redmi. So to start, you will need to open the first app that you would like to, split the screen of your device with. So let's say I'll go with Google Chrome. Now you can either open a second app, or you can do that later, that's up to you, as long as the first app is launched. So open the list of recent apps, find the app that you would like to use for the split screen, touch and hold at its miniature here, and select this little split it icon. Now once again you can select the second app from the recent items list, or you can simply open your home screen and select the second app you would like to use simultaneously with the first one. Now by dragging this little bar you can change how much of your screen each application occupies, or in order to exit the split screen view, simply drag this bar all the way to the top like that, or all the way to the bottom, depending on which app you would like to close and which app you would like to leave opened. And as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.